animals. This is the fastest land animal. This is cheetah. This is the tallest animal and have a long neck. This is giraffe. This animal can carry its baby in its small pouch. This is kangaroo. This is a big hairy animal and it loves to eat honey. This is bear. This animal is known as the king of the jungle. This is lion. It does not have legs. It makes hiss sound and it is poisonous too. This is snake. This is the biggest animal in the world. It have a big trunk and a pair of tusks. This is elephant. This animal is very powerful. It have black stripes on its body. This is tiger.